Hi folks, I'm Professor Dr. Challa Krishnaveer Abhishek. Today we have with us Achala Mahāyogi Śrī Brahmānanda Śrīdhara Swami garu, also known as Dr. Sridhar Rapelli garu. He came all the way from New York to Visakhapatnam to answer our queries on Achala Siddhānta. Guruji, the first question I have is, so we talk about observer who is always present, who is always observing. So observer, observation and observed, are they the final, or is there something beyond that, as said in Nasadiya Suktam?
There is something else which is called, that is absolute. Sarvatitam. Sarvatitam. Sarvatitaya Namaha. There is Astottar Shatanamani. We have one word also. So that means beyond everything, there is something. So that is called Achalam. Paratparam, that is also called Paratparam. Something is indirect for you, that is indirect of indirect.
Yes.
That's not visible.
Yes.
Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasasaha. There the mind will not go, their walk is not going to reach there.
Yes.
That is the absolute, which is beyond of space and time, which is beyond of everything. That is called Achala. Achala means immovable, unshakable. But Chala and Achala also relative words. In this relational world, the way you are sitting on the earth is stationary now, we feel. But if you go into the space, earth is also moving. Along with earth, everything is moving. Right? Suppose there are two trains parallel to each other. One train is moving, suddenly you saw that. That means, oh, this train is going like that. You will feel it is stationary.
Yes.
But when you see the platform, somebody is there, observer, is not moving. Because it is stationary.
Yes.
Train. Because the moving train is beside of you, you feel that your train is moving.
Yes.
To confirm that whether you are not moving or it is moving, you need third one. You have to see this side.
Yes.
Then you will see our train is stationary, the other train is moving. Right? In the same way, stationary or moving, motion, unmotion are relative words. But absolute is nothing in this.
Yes.
This is neither stationary nor in motion. That is absolute. That is called Paripoornam. That is called Achalam Paripoornam. That is Paripoornam means you cannot pinch a pin in that. Mulugutsa sandu lenidi. Right? You cannot pinch inside. You cannot make a hole with a pin. That is Paripoorna. But here in this Eruka, in this Chala movement, everything is motion. Everything is in motion means something, it is expanding. That means it is not perfect.
Yes.
It is not Paripoorna. This is stretching out. Right? If it is stretching out, there must be some shunya.
Yes.
So then only it can move.
Yes.
It is allowing to move. If there is no shunya which underlies everything, it cannot move.
Yes.
So shunya, ashunya are the two sides of the same kind in Chala movement. Shunya, ashunya. Nothingness and existence. Non-existing, existence. Yes. Existence is called Sat. Non-existence is called Asat. These go together. These are the two sides of the same kind. But we are thinking, we are searching for the absolute within these two. Nothing is absolute in these two. Sat, Asat. Chit, Achit. Consciousness, unconsciousness. Jnana, Ajnana. These are all relative. Even if a very highly intelligent person can forget something, right? So that means unconsciousness. Immediately, I know now I got it. That means consciousness. So consciousness is becoming unconsciousness, unconsciousness becoming again conscious. That's why in our Mangala Harati it is told like that. Jnani anuta kanaradamma, mari ajnani anuta kanara. A Achalayogi cannot be called as a jnani or ajnani. He is beyond of all these states. Because he knows what is ultimate. The ultimate fundamental reality is Achala Paripoorna Brahman. Paripoornam. Purna means suppose at a jaggery, piece of jaggery, the jaggery is full. You will see complete, there are no holes. But every atom, molecule or joined together, it looks like complete, solid.
Yes.
But is it solid?
No.
If you go microscopically, if you go inside the jaggery, there is a lot of gaps, right?
Yes.
In between the center of the nucleus to the electron. Electron also moving the speed of light, right? There is a gaps, right? Entirely there are holes.
Yes.
There are gaps. It is not perfect. It is not full. So that is what it is not called Paripoorna. This is a Purnam. Purnam means suppose you take a phala, a fruit. Fruit has some juice, rasa. It's like perfectly it is spreaded or pervading throughout the fruit, right? That is Purnam.
Yes.
Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Right? Actually, they are looking in this Chala movement, the consciousness is Purnam, they are telling.
Yes.
The world is Apurnam.
Apurnam.
If you take out the world, the consciousness is stable. Achalam, like that they are telling, Advaitins and other people. And different religious people will explain in different way, according to their niyamas and their shastras. But on the whole, if you see, the rasa is not apart from that jaggery piece or fruit, right? A sugar cane piece you take, in sugar cane piece, cane is there, sugar is inside. They are together.
Yes.
They come together, go together. But actually, you cannot take out the, say, and take out this, the sugar cane, you take it out, and sugar is permanent?
Yes.
No, that is wrong. Together, they are coming together there. So one you are discarding, one is remaining, like that they are telling, which is not true. But sugar can come together. Jaggery piece comes together. Phala comes together. Comes together, goes together. But without taking out, can you see anything?
No.
Inside the fruit. Fruit is layered. There is a outer piece is there, inside gujju there some material is there, and again seeds are there. So this is together, as a together, parts are together, they are feeling like a whole. That is called Purnam. That is not Paripoornam. This Purnam has some limitation, some magnitude. So fruit has some size, sugar cane has some dimensions, jaggery piece has some weight, some contours, right? You have a body, you have a contours head to toe.
Yes.
If you beat here, you will not feel anything. If you beat here, you will feel pain. Consciousness within the body, toe to head. But outside, is it there?
No.
We cannot say in or out, day or night. Like this, if you see, remove everything, that is Paripoornam. Paripoorna has no contours. Paripoornam has no contours. So, that is beyond of all duals, all trios, all everything that is beyond. That is the explanation purpose we are telling. Because even beyond is a relation.
Yes.
Because that way, methodologically, we have to pedagogically, we have to teach at the level.
Yes.
So to go there, you want to go from Grama, Chala Grama Simmam to Achala Nrusimham. So in that, in teaching methodologies, you have to say like that. But actually there is no traveling to Achala Paripoornam.
Yes.
It's only realization. By thinking only, you will analyze and you will get it. But actually, truly speaking, there is no walker. So there is no, this is Tarinchuta. Tarinchuta means in Telugu, swimming out. The ocean of samsara, you have to swim. So for swimming, swimmer is there. Otherwise, a traveler, a guru will come with a boat. So jnana is a boat. The boat is there. You are the person. You have to reach destination. So actually, when you know the Achala, the secret of Achala, there is no traveler first. There is no boat. There is no traveling.
There is no destination.
Everything is disappearing. So there is also no destination. If there is destination, it is not a destination. Na tadbhasayate suryo na shashanko na pavakaha yad gatva na nivartante tadhama paramam mama. That means a light cannot go. A light of sun, light of moon, light of candle cannot illuminate the Achala Paripoornam. It cannot go there. Nanivartante, you will not come back. That means coming back is when there is a way, you will come back. Suppose you are going to Hyderabad by road. So it is a way. When you reach there, if you don't like, you can come back. Yes. So Achala Paripoorna Brahman is not like that. It's not a destination. In the Chala world only, there are destinations. We are moving from part to part, from place to place. But Achala Paripoorna Brahman is neither a destination nor an object to go and meet there.
Wonderful.
Okay. So, but pedagogically, through teachings, we have to say you have to travel.
Yes.
Tarinchura. Tarinchura means you have to swim. The samsara, ocean of samsara, you have to swim and reach the destination.
Yes.
We have to say like poetic language. Yes. That is a poetic language. There is no swimmer, no destination. That is Achala Paripoorna.
Yes.
This is a secret in Bhagavad Gita. Nanivartante tadhama paramam. He is not telling come and unite with me. Bhagavad Gita. That is tadhama paramam mama. Mama. For me it is also above. That is dhama. That is my sthanam. That means if I want to sit on a chair, I am sitting. Chair is on the earth. Earth is rounding the sun. Sun is existing because of the air, right? The air is a burning globe, like a star. Yes. So sun is like it's not. There is no mud in there. It's only burning star, right? Sun. So sun is going around where? Along the galaxy, center of the galaxy. There is a galactic year 222 270 million years. One galactic year is going around. This galaxy also moving in the space. So that means everything is in motion, right? So where is the ultimate, the ground for all these things? Ground. Lot of galaxies, trillions of galaxies are there. Where are they? All these things. These are in the space, right? Sure. Right. Intergalactic spaces are there. Intergalactic travel also possible. But with speed of light we have to go. Who will go? Speed of light. We cannot find that kind of vehicle. It is impossible. So even though it takes millions of years, even if you travel with the light speed, right? Yes. So all these are they are inside the space, or space is a container. Space is not a container. If it is a container, aquarium is a container, there is a water, you can put a fish inside, you can take it out. Like that, can we go out from the space? You cannot go, because space is not a container. Space has lot of galaxies, all these energies, materials, planets and gaseous planets and all the kinds of stars. So many billions times of sun, that much bigger stars are there. So all these are within the space, like a mage it is there. Yes. It's going with the space, expanding or developing or they are decaying along with the space. So this it's not container. Yes. Space is not container. Yes. So where is this Akasha Vala? The space, like space-time continuum. Yes. Where is it existing? There are any hooks on the top? No. Any big hill on in the bottom? No. To lift it up? So that is where the Achala Siddhāntam comes to Savior. To clarify. That means behind of all these things, consciousness, matter, energy, space, time, all this intertwined, or how is it? Not even intertwined. Whether the cloud is inside the space or space is inside the cloud?
Cloud is inside.
No, not correct. That is Grandhi's question. Grandhi is feeling. Okay. Grandhi is feeling, oh, the cloud is in the space, but the space is also in the cloud. How is it?
Yes.
So you break I, who is questioner. Question is the Grandhi. So that way, the Grandhi is cut, nothing exists.
Yes.
Everything is illusion. So the scientists are stopped here. Metaphysically, this is the conclusion. But physically, in Vyavaharika, Satyatva, they are still searching for the absolute within the relative motion. They cannot get. Albeit, Einstein said right once, so we are looking for absolute, albeit we are in a relative world.
Yes.
Wherever we go, there is a relative world.
Yes.
Right? That is the thing.
Now, Buddhists say that Shunyatha is
Existing.
the end.
Who is telling? The Shunyatha is existing, you are telling. Who is identifying Shunya? That I identify.
Yes.
I means consciousness. If consciousness is not there, who tells you Shunya is there?
Yes.
Are you a fool? The Shunya is neither material, nor mass, nor energy, nor field, nor consciousness. What is it, Shunya? Absence of all these things. That means again it is a relative field,
Yes.
relation. So that means the where Buddha failed this way he failed.
And
You
also-
cannot substitute Shunya with absolute.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So whenever you say something, there is nothing. Something, why is there is something rather than nothing?
Yes.
That is again Grandhi's question.
Yes.
Grandhi's
Question.
that is illusion. Actually, you are in the dream state, let's say. This is all Swapna Vicharam. If you are in dream state, there is a dream space is there. In your dream state, there is a space, there is a light, there are people, elders, boys, marriages happening, wars are happening, somebody killed, somebody is weeping, somebody is laughing. If you wake up,
Okay. And similarly, Guruji, Jains, they say that this is Swayambhu. So is this Swayambhu or did it start somewhere?
no, not like that. నీ ఉండు చోట నుండు నీ వివిధ విచిత్ర జగము నీతో కూడా నీవే లేని చోటున్న నీ వివిధ విచిత్ర జగము నిలవదు కుర్రా. If your Grandhi is existing, if you are feeling you are here, along with you all this world is existing. If you are gone, for whom this one existing? If a big tree is falling in a forest, does it make a sound here?
No.
Without ear, there is no existence for sound.
Yes.
Something is fallen down, you are creating a sound. If no ear, for whom the sound is existing here? In that way, so we can conclude. That means Swayambhu, self-existence, self-born,
Yes.
self-born. From where it is born? From where? Suppose you want to create a ring, let's say, right? You need some piece of gold, right? The gold should be there. Without gold, you cannot make a ring. That is also a misnomer. As per BFI, this looks good in Advaita.
Yes.
Advaita, they will say self-born or Jainism, it born itself. Who is concluding that?
You are.
Who is deciding that factor? That is you. That means you are already born and you have the physical, biological organism, and emergence of that is the consciousness because of neurons and all that process are going dynamically. Then you are thinking, oh, like that. So that's what Achalayoga Siddhānta is, not constructive,
Yes.
deconstruction. Layer, take out the layers, see, nothing. We don't need the how it happened. That's what Stephen Hawking,
Yes.
So try to like Big Bang, okay? So a small particle, singularity,
Singularity.
infinite mass, infinite dense, infinite heat. That started, time started that time. So immediately expanding and a hot universe and basic molecules, particles are prepared like electrons, protons, they join, become atoms, and atoms join molecules, then slowly stars and planets, everything, beautiful universe came out, and now it is what happening? The heat is going and cooling down, and ultimately heat death happens. Then what happens to the universe? it will shrink to again singularity. Reversely, in converse to that. So this is all hypothesis. This is all. Actually, if you understand the secret, this is like a dream. It's happening, going and coming. It's all happening. So once your knot is cut, that's it.
Yes. So finally, Stephen Hawking, he made a conclusion that we need not have an explanation for this.
Yeah, we need not explanation for this. Because who is asking explanation? The Grandhi is asking, right? So nobody can find out. That's what in Kandarthas also told. Even Brahma doesn't know. Even you say Nasadiya Suktam, 10th Mandalam, what is the sloka number? I forgot it. So 10th Mandalam we have this Nasadiya Suktam. So Sat, that is not Sat. That is not Asat. That is Achala. That is a concept. That is proposed actually. What is proposed by Sri Krishna Bhagavan also. Achaloyam Sanatana. Simply we can say like this. For a small boy is weeping and making noise and all that. I will give it to devil. Dayam is there then. You say, right? Ninnu Dayan Vatistana. I will give it to devil. Did you see Dayam?
No.
That boy see Dayam?
No.
But he kept quiet. It worked.
Yes.
It worked. It stopped. He stopped weeping. And he said, Ninnu Dayam Vatitanan. And I sapne mukunda. So he kept quiet. But this elder person did any Dayam, devil?
No.
Did he say?
No.
But that word could work. That word worked. The devil, that word. We scared him. That's what it worked. That's for boy. In societies, these religious exponents created a God. The word God. God is there, is watching if you are doing adharma activities, if you are doing any cheating, if you are looting anybody, if you are harassing somebody. So he is seeing. You will get punishment. You will get punishment. Like that people are teaching, right? Every religion will teach.
Yes.
If you do good things, punya things, virtuous things, you will go to heaven. If you do bad things, what happens?
Hell.
You will go to hell. That. So that exponent has seen any Swarga?
No.
Any Daivam?
No.
Any God?
No.
Did they see? These people did they see?
No.
People also. But it is working. Most of the people are God fearing. Right? Oh, God is there. If I am doing something I close my doors, I took somebody's money. Oh, my guests came to my home, they put the bags. Nobody is saying I took it. But God, people are telling God is seeing.
Yes.
So He may give me some punishment in future life, or maybe in next 10, 15 years something bad will happen to me. Like that, He forced to not to steal. Right? Because of these words. So God is everywhere, He is watching. He is the cosmic clerk.
Yes.
Like that, they are scaring the people. That's what the bad things are reduced in the society. Right?
Yes.
This is the second level. In third level, in Achalayoga Siddhānta, if somebody comes, you have to tell, there is absolute. There is
Absolute.
There is absolute. It doesn't move. It doesn't change. It doesn't enter into time.
Amen.
It doesn't enter into a body. It will not go out. It is everywhere. You cannot even make a hole in it. Like that, we have to teach 100 times. So these people are coming to Guru, they are in motion, they are in wavering. When you are telling about Achala, unshakable, unmovable, they will be getting attracted. Oh, what is that? I want to know. What is that? I want to know. That means while you are shaking all these things, you are not listening. When I am telling that is Achala, you will listen.
Yes.
That means you are settling down, you are stabilizing. The motion is decreasing. This is a kind of methodology, teaching methodology. But this Guru has seen this Achala with the naked eye. Did he see?
No.
But this worked. This worked. Entirely after the complete teaching, that proposition also ultimately removed. There is no bhava, nirbhava. Bhavas all became abhavas. So that is the completeness.
Yes.
You cannot say anything. Beyond every state. Beyond every description.
Yes.
That's what one Kanda Padyam is said. That is, ఏ నిర్ణయమును చేయడు, ఏ నిర్ణయమును చేయడు, నేననని మహాత్ముడెప్పుడు, నేననని మహాత్ముడెప్పుడు, నేనను వాడే నానా విధాల వదరును, నేనను తన వంటి వారి నెప్పుడు గనినన్. Who knows everything, all the secrets of life, he will not do any decisions, any conclusions. ఏ నిర్ణయమును చేయడు, నేననని మహాత్ముడెప్పుడు. There is no I. This is all false identity. I am Rapelli Sridhar, I am Krishna, I am Rama. This is all for the Vyavaharartham. For the dealing with the physical life, worldly life, these names are kept. Because everything is in motion. River is going. Ganga, 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 you are telling. Where is the water? Gallons of water is going, but the same Nadi, same Ganga you are feeling. But always new water. Where is it? This is Bhranti. So every person is dynamically changing, dynamically moving, dynamically
transforming.
Their bhavas changing, targets changing, our wishes are changing. What you are thinking 10 years ago, you are not thinking now. After 20 years, you will be a different person, including the cells also. But same Nadi, Ganga, Ganga, I am Shruti. 10 years ago, now 20 years, but you are every time new person. Every minute, every second new. Right?
Yes.
The bulb is glowing, but current is passing, not static.
Yes.
Current is passing, but new current comes every time.
Yes.
If current is cut, bulb glows. Bulb glows or no glow?
It doesn't
no
glow.
Doesn't.
Starts glow.
Consciousness also like that. Within you, within me, within him. Continuously changing. But Vyavaharartham, because of the worldly sake, to identify, to act in the life, we put names.
Yes.
Ganga, Ganga, Ganga. The river shape is same, pattern is same.
Yeah.
But water is every time new.
Every time new.
New. So that's how the Paripoornam we are explaining, we are telling. Then when you know everything, that concept also gone. Paripoornam is a concept. Paripūrṇa bhavam. But for beginners, we have to explain in a layered bodha.
Yes.
In a layered bodha. ఏ నిర్ణయమును చేయడు, నేననే మహాత్ముడెప్పుడు. There is no I. Grandhi is cut. నేనేను వాడే నానా విధాల వదరును. Who says I, that not is not gone. Self is not gone. You are thinking there is a fixed self in you.
Yes.
There is no fixed water in the river. Like that same way, there is no fixed self in you, inside, in your body. Is it like a SIM card dwelling in the cell phone? No. SIM card is fixed, right?
Yes.
Like that, is the self is fixed in this body? No, which is not true. It is in motion. So that's why Nenan Wade Nana Vidhala Vadam. He tells lot of lies, lot of interpretations which are not correct. Nenan Wade Nana Vidhala Vadarun. Nenanu Tana Vanti Var in Epuduganin. Whoever come across with the same feelings. I-ness.
Yes.
So ahankaram, that's what ahankara rahitam. So feelings are making man different rigid people. I, Granthi. The feeling has gone, I feeling has gone. That's it. That is Nrsimha Avatara. Killing Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu is identity.
Ego.
You have to bow to me only. Vishnu is not God. I am the God. Because I became Paramatma.
Yes.
So why are you going to again another God? He was questioning. But another God is not God. That is absolute.
Absolute.
It is neither day nor night. Neither consciousness nor unconsciousness. That concept you knows, this ego will fall away.
Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Because you wrote the book, that's what you can understand. For other people, you need lot of days and lot of years too. You have to give layered both for them.
Thank you so much,
Understand?
Guruji. Wonderful, wonderful explanation. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you so much.